If you forgot to clock in for a shift, you can manually create a time entry. On the Timesheets page, tap the Add Entry button in the top right corner. The time entry page will open. Fill out the time entry details, including date, time in, time out, participant, service code, services provided, and notes. Once you've filled out the time entry details, select Sign and Submit. Then choose to review with participant or review later. Watch the How to Get Participant Approval for Time Entries video to learn how to review a time entry. There are specific tasks that you'll need Wi-Fi or data to complete. You do need Wi-Fi or data to get participant approval on the portal and sync approved time entries to GT for payment. You don't need Wi-Fi or data to open your app, save your location, clock in, clock out, or get participant approval on your device. To sync approved time entries with GT, tap the Account button on the navigation menu at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down and tap the Sync with GT button. If you have any further questions, please contact customer support. Thanks for watching!